So hello guys, welcome back with another video of Salesforce Geek channel, and in this video I'm going to create a scenario, and this is the first video of our record triggered flow series. So let's start with the first scenario. So as you can see on the screen, Stephen Greene is working as a system administrator at Universal Container. He received the following requirement from his manager: whenever an account is created or updated, auto-populate the number of open opportunities count in a custom field on the account, that is number of open opportunities. So I hope this requirement is clear to you, although we can also achieve this same requirement with the help of roll-up summary field if the two objects are connected with master detail relationship and account and opportunities are connected with master detail relationship. So we can also achieve the same with the help of roll-up summary. But the purpose of this video is to create a flow so that you can understand how flow actually works. So without any delay, let's create a new flow. Click on new flow, and we are going to create a before save flow. Click record triggered flow. Next, freeform. In the object type account, select account when a record is created or updated, and in the optimize the flow for fast field updates, and click done. So basically what we need to do is collect all the open opportunities of a particular account, and we need to update the custom field which is number of opportunities. So make sure you created a custom field over account with the data type number. So now simply what I am going to do is use a get record element to fetch all the opportunities, all open ops in object type opportunity. And now in the condition, we need related opportunities. So we need to provide account ID, isn't it? Equals record. Now record is a global variable which stores the current record which is in trigger. So that's why I use record to provide the account ID, record.id. Now add one more condition, because we want only open opportunities. So we need to exclude those opportunities which are closed won or closed lost. So type stage name equals does not equal lost. Add one more condition, stage name does not equal won. Now simply our get record element is ready. Now click on all records and simply click done. So we are fetching all the records of a particular account. Now simply connect these two. Now what we need the size of this get record element, because if we get the size of this get record element, we can simply say that this is the number of opportunities we have in the get record element, and this is the exact number which are open opportunities for this particular account. So for that what we need to do is drag and drop a assignment element, and here we need to type, let's say get count. Create a variable, let's say new resource, click variable, type count, in the data type it will be number, and allow multiple values, not decimal value is 0 and default value is also 0. Click done. Now you can see equals count. So equals count will provide the size of the get record element. So what you need to do is select equals count, and in the value you need to provide record collection variable. That's it, and click done. Connect these two. Now you need to again use a assignment element, and simply in this what we are going to do is update number of ops field, and in the variable let's say record dot number of ops equals count. Click done. Connect these two. Click save. Count number, count open ops. Click save. Activate it. If I go back to home and go to accounts, So what I'm going to do is, let's say open one account, pyramid construction. In the opportunities, you can see we have only one opportunity which is in open state and it is prospecting. So let's go to details, and here you can see number of ops is nothing right now. Let me update the rating of our account. So let's say I'm going to provide hot and save this, because our trigger will work on create or update. So now here you can see number of ops, right, equals to 1. Now if I go back to related and create one more opportunity, let's say first, and in close date let's say 23, in stage name let's say qualification, click save and go back to details, and let's update the rating one more time to warm or cold and click save. Now you can see number of ops equals to 2, and if I go to related and let's say create one more opportunity, let's say 3, and close date will be like 15 and stage equals to closed one, and click save. And if I go to details, change the rating again to hot and click save. Now no impact on number of ops as it is 2. We need to exclude closed won or closed lost opportunities, so that's why it is not updated. Now let me check if we can directly update our number of ops field. So instead of doing this, let me delete this assignment. What I can do, remove this count variable and let's say select record dot number of ops. So I need to just check, like click done, click save as, save, and let's activate our flow. Now go back to the same account, let's go to related, let's go to third stage, third opportunity, and go to details. Let's change the stage to ID decision maker, and now let's go back to the account, go to details. Right now you can see number of ops equals to 2 and rating equals to warm, and click save. So right now you can see number of ops equals to 3. So by this you can see we don't need to create a count variable, we can update the field directly. So this is one optimized flow, like we don't need to create a variable to store the value. Okay, so earlier like in Feb or March, I guess this equal count is not working, like this operator is not working, it will throw some error. I will show on the screen what is the error like earlier, but now it is working fine. So if the operator is not working, what we can do, we can simply use a loop, and we can simply increment a count one by one. I can provide the video in the I button, you can check it out for the same functionality, because I created a flow in Feb or March, I guess, and that time this equals count is not working. So what I did, I simply use a loop and update the field by the number of records. So you can check out that video in the I button, click done. So that's it for today's video, and the second video you are going to see is after save update record triggered flow, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching.